How often do you receive an email from someone that ends up in your junk folder that you don't want in your junk folder, but you want it in your inbox? Maybe it's happened once, maybe it's happened twice, or someone has to call you to let you know, hey, I sent you an email. Then you find it in the junk folder a month later. Well, don't feel alone. Happens to me, happens to everyone. It's a very common occurrence, but it's a very simple, easy way to fix that. We're going to jump into that for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I'm Curtis Hyde. I'm with Colorado Computer Support. Well, it's very simple. All you do is go to that email inside of the junk folder that you want from that sender. You right-click on it. You're going to go down to where it says junk and hover. It's going to open a new section, and all you're going to do is select not junk. That is going to tell your email system now that it is not a junk email. You want that sent to your inbox, and it'll divert everything that comes from that email address back to your inbox moving forward. So that way you don't keep missing those emails trying to figure out where they are, or someone has to call you to say, hey, did you see my email? And you're like, no, because it went to your junk box. It'll now be reverted into the inbox. If you have any other questions, confusions with email, whether it's Outlook or G Suite and need some assistance or any type of IT technical help for your business, feel free to reach out to us. We're Colorado Computer Support. We're experts at what we do. You can reach us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. I appreciate it. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.